Hi guys, what's happening? Welcome to RGH Tech TV. Hopefully all of you guys are doing good. This is Java 42 and today in this video let's see 7 must-have accessories for this bike. And even if you own a Java, then all of these accessories should be compatible or suitable with that bike as well. Now guys, Java 42 or Java definitely have disadvantages or cons, and some of these accessories which I'm going to show in this video will try to solve some of those issues as well. Make sure to watch this video till the end guys. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and guys take a minute, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon as well. Alright guys, now without wasting any time, let's quickly move ahead with the accessories. Now the first accessory which you should add or must add is the seat cover. Now the stock seat is very hard guys, and it's very uncomfortable, especially in the long rides. So definitely you should add a seat cover, and I had also mentioned this in the cons section of the pros and cons video. Now guys, this seat is actually provided by the dealer. Now I'm not sure whether whether he purchased it from third-party shops or the company itself provided it, but he quoted me a price of 999, and it's very actually comfortable, as you can notice. I've traveled for around like 80 kilometers or so, probably with a break of 5 minutes, and it was very comfortable guys, especially in the long rides as well. As you can notice, it's quite comfortable, and after adding this there are no much complaints about the seat. Now the second accessory is the horn guys. Now the stock horn, actually there are two things which I did not like about the stock horn. First is the sound itself. It did not suit the mass and the weight of the bike. Second is the placement guys. It's a single horn and is placed on the left side, so whenever you sound the horn it would actually irritate the left ear. Now I have actually added horn from Bosch, so which actually costs you around 800 rupees. So it's a dual horn guys, and it's available at a very affordable price as well. The sound quality is just amazing guys. Let me actually sound the horn for you. You can judge the quality by yourself. So as you can see guys, the sound actually suits the mass and the weight of the bike. Now guys, next accessory is a very small accessory, but it's a very must-have accessory. Now one disadvantage with Java 42 is the fact that this does not come with the auto cutoff indicator. Now I was actually spoiled by that feature because I used to ride Pulsar 220 earlier, which had auto cutoff indicator, but this bike does not have, in spite of paying 2 lakh plus rupees for this one. Now if we cannot add the auto cutoff feature, at least what we can do is we can add the indicator buzzer. So so more often than not guys, people used to notify me that boss, your indicator is on, please turn it off. So that's the reason guys why I have added this indicator buzzer. So at least it will give the beep sound or the buzzer indicator that your indicator is on, please turn it off. So this also works perfectly fine guys. Let me just quickly show you that. So as you can notice, so it will actually give the beep sound, and by that sound at least we could easily turn it off. So this indicator buzzer will cost you only 50 rupees guys. It's not too costly. You can easily add this one. And one more thing which I had to mention is, in spite of adding the Bosch horn and the indicator buzzer and also the LED light, which I'm going to tell in a minute, there is no effect on the battery performance guys. That is one thing which I would like to mention. Now the next must-have accessory, as I mentioned earlier, is the LED light. Now this is the 9-segment LED light guys. This bike actually has the halogen bulb. It does its job decently good, but the thing is guys, there is one particular issue with my conditions. That is, I stay like 3 to 4 kilometers away from the city, and while I travel, some places do not have street lights. So I needed a light which would cover the entire street, but at the same time I was sure that these aren't too much irritating for the people as well. So you can get 12 LED sets or say 15 LED sets. So there are a wide range of LED sets. So I went with this one. This costed me like 1200 rupees. I got it from the third-party shops, and it does its job pretty good. It completely lights up the whole street, so that it's kind of safer while traveling, especially when there are no street lights. Alright guys, now the next accessory again is a very small accessory. It's the headlamp cover. I got it from the dealer itself for around 100 rupees. This definitely adds to the look of the bike. It adds to the aesthetics. As you can see, it gives it the Royal Enfield look. Definitely, if you want, you could also add this one. Again guys, as I mentioned earlier, I'm not sure if the dealer gets it from the third party or the company itself. Now guys, quickly let's move with again a very important accessory, that is the spoiler and the backrest. So a lot of people actually had asked me about the backrest. The thing is guys, it will cost me around 1000 rupees. This spoiler actually costed me 1000 rupees. Now this is pretty customizable guys. Now if you want, you could remove this backrest and add a carrier, or you could also leave only with the spoiler itself. So this total unit costed me around 2000 rupees. Now there is one very important thing which I have to mention guys, that is if there are two healthy people, then this might not be comfortable, as the length of the seat is pretty small. Even if you're a family of 3, then this will not be comfortable. Then you could definitely choose to remove this backrest and stay with the spoiler itself. Now guys, at the time of delivery, the main stand and the sari guard had costed you around 1000 rupees, and this crash guard will cost you around 1500 rupees. These are the 3 items which I had added while taking delivery. Now there is one very important accessories guys which I would suggest you to not add, that is the side mirror. The side mirror actually is very uncomfortable guys. I'll tell you why. Now there are actually 2 potential problems of adding that side mirror guys. One is it will actually block the view, especially the ones which you get in the third-party shops, which will cost you around 450 to 500 rupees. It will actually block the view. You cannot see what's coming from behind. And second is you cannot add the polythene or the plastic covers from the side. So the good thing is you can eliminate adding these side mirrors. Alright guys, now before ending this video, I want to give you one quick information. There is one particular problem which I'm facing with the tubes of this bike. I'll make a separate video explaining that guys. Please stay tuned to the channel. Now if you feel this video was informative, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, follow us on Twitter at RJH Tech TV, subscribe to us on YouTube. Most importantly, thanks for watching. I'll see you real soon.